Dear student, I am before the camera today to share with you my view about spoken English. You know, from the very beginning of our education life, in primary school, high school, college level, we are not having the chance of spoken English or oral English. But oral English bears so much importance. It is important for our existence in the present competitive world. You know, today's world is a world of globalization. Today, I cannot confine or reserve myself within a squeezed position. I am the agent of present competitive world. Every man, every student, every person is the agent of present modern world. So modern world is a world of IT. Modern world is the world of globalization. Whether you are working in the country or outside of the country, such as after completing your education, you are going to take or you have taken a job into an office of our country. In that office, you cannot but using or you cannot help using you cannot but use English, because in that office, sitting in that office, you have to communicate throughout of the world. You have to communicate throughout of the world, whether financial organization or any other documented organization. That's the important. Important is that in the country or outside of the country, if you are going to take a job if you have taken any job, then you have to communicate in different way, and that communication will compel you to use English. So the moment you are feeling the necessity of using written English, then you are in the habit of that written English. But the moment you are trying to communicate with the people orally, then you have to suffer, because you are not in the habit of spoken English, or you are not in the habit of speaking orally, because in your school, college, university, you did not have any management of spoken English. So I am giving you a suggestion. You have to observe all the videos of mine carefully. These types of grammatical item will help you to produce sentence orally in a very gorgeous way, I think. So if you differentiate between written English and spoken English, actually it is not a correct idea. It's a wrong idea. In spoken English you produce sentence, in written English you also produce sentence. But the difference is that in written English you write something, but in spoken English you say something. These are the basic difference. But the most important thing is that in written English and spoken English, in two ways you are just producing sentence. So as the two systems are following one system, that is producing sentence, so why grammar is not necessary? Can you produce any ungrammatical sentence? No, you have no chance to produce any ungrammatical sentence in spoken English. I think this is the right track to produce any sentence with the help of grammar. If you think that with the help of grammar you cannot complete or you cannot be expert in spoken English, that's the wrong concept, wrong idea. Without grammar, the sentences if you produce, without any grammar, if you produce any sentence, that would become uninteresting, not interesting, or dull sentence would be produced there without grammar. With the help of grammar, some interesting and standard English can be practiced, can be exercised. So thank my student. I am asking or urging or suggesting my student to follow all the video of mine for spoken English, because in future we have a idea of giving a spoken English class, so that you can have an expression or impression of spoken English, and that will help you or be helpful so much in your practical life. Thanks my student.